We have 4 new models. There's the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, and the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, and we've got the standard iPhone 14. And the bigger now, the iPhone 14 Plus. Looks like there's not going to be a mini this time around. Now at the baseline we're going to have a 14 and 14 Plus. You don't need to go Pro in order to get a bigger size. I think this Plus model iPhone 14 Plus is going to be a big seller, like out of the bunch, and 5 colors: midnight, starlight, blue, purple, and a product red. We also have the ability for it to detect car crash detection. Apple's been really working an improved 3-axis gyroscope, an improved accelerometer that samples your movements something around 3 times per second. Apple have made changes to that front notch. There's no longer a notch. They're calling this the dynamic island. It's pretty interesting because if you have something play, then you can see there's a little icon that pops up there. But when you go out into home screen, it expands. Dynamic island uses can see battery levels and get direction from Apple Maps, among other things. Apple says third-party apps will be able to use the dynamic island. iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max come in 2 great sizes now, with thinner borders, more active area, and dynamic island. The new display provide peak HDR brightness of 1600 nits, and the display can even go up to 2000 nits in sunny day. The A16 chip that is in the Pro models is Apple's first 4nm process chip. It focuses on power efficiency display and the camera, so the camera has some big improvements, mainly that main sensor. Apple iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max feature a triple camera setup with 48-megapixel primary sensor. Speaking on the iPhone 14 Pro, also get an upgraded camera system with a new 48-megapixel primary rear sensor back by Apple new photonics engine for better low-light performance. We also have a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, which is of course doubles as the macro camera, which has been improved as well. And finally we have the 12-megapixel telephoto, and another big upgrade, we have a much wider f1.78 aperture versus 2.8 last year. The iPhone 14 Pro price start MS at $999 and the iPhone 14 Pro Max at $1,099. In addition to that, we've got improved Ltpo technology, and that means you're going to be able to go up to 120 Hz for the ProMotion, but you can go all the way down to just 1 Hz, and that enables something. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.